Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you that how you can delete data using PHP. In this video we will display a delete button inside our each row, and when user will click on that specific delete button we will delete that row from our database. So let me show you how to achieve that. So first of all, as we know that in the previous video we was created let me zoom out a little bit. We was created this this table to display data. What we have to do here, first of all, I will copy and paste this, and here I will type like delete, and after this from here I will copy and paste this a little bit, and here I will type here delete. So currently you can see that we have just a delete text. So suppose I want to display a delete icon at this position. What I will do, I will search for here like font awesome CDN. This is, and from here I have to click on this first link. You can also click on this copy link tag, and you just have to paste that link inside your head section. By just doing so, you will able to use font awesome icon in your website. Now let me show you the font awesome icons. You just have to type here font awesome icons, and from here I will click on this font awesome icons website, and here I will search for delete icon. So suppose we want to use this icon, I will just click on this, and from here we have to copy this HTML code. I will simply copy this and I will paste this at this position. Now let me refresh this. It is not, yeah, you can see that the delete icon is displaying. And we can do one more thing. We can type here like text danger to change its color to red. Also we can add another class like text center to center our or center class. Okay, let's leave this as it is. So you can see that currently we just have a delete icon here, but currently it is not clickable. To make it clickable, what we have to do, first of all, I will cut this I tag from here and paste this at this position for a temporarily, and next I will type here a, and inside this a we have to type here a file name like delete record.php and question mark. After this you have to type here like record underscore id, or you can simply type here id equal to and PHP opening and PHP closing tag. Here you have to press echo, and you can type here the same thing, row hyphen id, and press semicolon. I will show you that what is its purpose. And similarly I just have to cut this from here and paste inside our a tag that we created. Now let me refresh this. So why I have write this line of code? Maybe you will confuse a little bit. So first of all, you can see that we have a td, obviously for table data, and inside this we have an a opening and a closing tag here. We know that we use a tag to move user from one file to another. So, and inside this I have typed here href. When I will click on this file, you can see that the file is not found currently, but in the URL it will open the delete record.php file, and after question mark it will set an id to our URL. Let me back, and when I will click on this, now you can see that the id 2 is set to our URL. That's what we require in this. We can easily get this id, and by using this technique we can recognize that which record we want to delete. So let me go to back, and what we have to do, and similarly I have to type a question mark, and we know that by using this question mark technique we can set a parameter to our URL, like we are setting id is equal to 2. Now first of all, let me copy this file name and click on this create new button, paste that file name here to create a new file, and here I will just simply do one thing like record or record underscore id is equal to dollar underscore get, and we know that the value that is set on our URL, we can easily access that dollar underscore get super global. Here I will just paste that id attribute here that we have set to our URL, and next I will just do one thing, echo record id, to show you that we have successfully get that id inside our variable. So friends, you can see that we can get that id inside our variable. If you will, let me zoom out a little bit like this, and when I will try to delete this record, you can see that its id is 6, which is set on url, and we have accessed that id inside our variable. So next we have to do one thing. We have to write here delete query. So we have to write here a delete query. So first of all, I will create here a variable like SQL is equal to double quotes and a semicolon. Next we have to open the PHP myadmin. From here you have to select your specific table, and next click on this SQL, and from here you can see a delete button. Just click on this, it will provide you your delete query. Just copy this and paste your delete query at this position. And here one thing to keep in mind, that must put your condition at this position. Yeah, must put your condition at this position, friends. If you will not do so, your whole data will be deleted. So this is important thing to understand, that here we have to type the condition that where we know that our column name id equal to single quotes, and inside this we have to insert our record id table. So let me teach you that what this query means. Delete from table tbl students, it means delete some data from our this table where id is equal to record id. If we in the url the id is 6, it means that we are indicating that only delete the record which has unique id of 6. So here you can see that we have typed our condition, and after this you have to type the same thing. Run is equal to MySQL query, and the first thing we have to type here connection, but make sure to copy that connection from here and paste that connection at this position as well. I will teach you a simple thing in the after this video next, that you will not require to copy this code at every position of your file. You will just write that code inside your one file, and then you can add that code in multiple files using one simple technique. But I will teach you that technique in the video after next video. So here I have just copy and paste the database connection code, and inside MySQL query function, which is used to run a query, we have to pass our database connection, comma, and our SQL query. And similarly I will just press here semicolon, and here we have to type here like if $run. It means that if operation becomes successful, what you have to do here, you have to type here like header. As I told you that header function is used to move the user from one page to another. At this position I have to type here location and show hyphen data dot php question mark record hyphen deleted, and I will press here semicolon. The reason I type here question mark and record hyphen deleted, because by using this, because this will set to our url, and by using this we will able to display a alert message to our user. Let me show you how to do that, but first of all let me copy this and click on this. So you can see that the record is still deleted successfully, and here in the url you can see that show data.php, and in the url a key of record hyphen deleted is set successfully, and we can use that key easily. I will type here, first of all I will copy the bootstrap alert code. From here I will copy this alert message like alert danger. Let me copy this, and I have to paste that code here, and before this I have to write some PHP code, a PHP starting tag and PHP ending tag. And after this I have to type here if is set $_get big bracket and single colon, and from here we have to simply copy this URL key. We know that using $_get super global we can achieve we can get the data that would be set on our URL. So just I have to type here record delete here, and here I will type this curly brackets. This curly brackets will start from here, but it will end at this position. So what does this code means? That only display this alert to user if this record hyphen delete key is set to our URL. Now let me refresh. You can see that danger. Let me change this from a record has been deleted successfully. A record has been deleted. We will not use the word successfully. So you can see that our record has been deleted. But in case if you will only try to open your show hyphen data.php, you will not see this alert message. So that's why I have typed this if condition before this alert message. And one thing that I want to show you, that if you click on this PHP my admin, you can see that the data is not deleted. Let me know in the comment section that why data is not deleted, or if it is deleted also. Let me pause this video and let me know in the comment section if that data has been deleted. The data is not displaying at this position, that but why this data is still displaying at this position? Because we have to refresh our page. So currently you can see that we have only 5 rows, and here 5 rows as well. Similarly, I will delete those rows from this, and now when I will again click on this browse, or you can also refresh this from here, so you can see that data is also deleted from our database successfully. So friends, in the next video I will teach you the process that how we can add the edit functionality to our specific, if you suppose you want to allow your user to update that record, how to add that functionality, we will learn in the next video. So if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please share this video with those friends who want to learn website development. And finally, thanks for watching.